tell me what you're waiting for.
Tell me what,
Tell me what,
tell me what,
tell me what you're waiting for.
tell me what,
Tell me what,
tell me what.
so tell me what you're waiting for.
Hi guys, welcome back to New Space. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make these DIY aesthetic phone cases. So be sure to subscribe and like if you want to see more of these kind of videos, and don't forget to answer the question of the week by clicking on the info card right here. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, I'm going to show you how you can make this Polaroid inspired phone case. I went to picmonkey.com and remade the logo. I also added some other elements that I found on Pinterest. I recommend you to search the size of your phone, save your design and resize it in pages. Then you can print it out and trace out the outline of your phone. The next step is cutting your design out. My printer didn't have a lot of ink left, so that's why I could only print out like bluish and pinkish colors, but that made it even more aesthetic. Then I put it back in the phone case and I used a pencil to find out where I had to cut the camera hole. Next up, I took my X-Acto knife and cut it out. The last step is putting it back in the phone case, and now you have this awesome Polaroid inspired phone case. Next up is this CocaCola phone case. Take a sheet of paper and trace out the outline of your phone. Then you have to take a pair of scissors and cut it out. I recommend to use washi tape if you want your lines to have a sleek look. I took some white paint to color the first part. And then I peeled off the washi tape before the paint dried. Now you can repeat these steps for the other two colors. So I chose blue, red and yellow. Blue, red and white, inspired on like a vending machine that I saw on Pinterest. So then I removed the last pieces of washi tape and I made a new blue Coca-Cola design on pixlr.com, and after that I cut it out. I also erased some pencil stains. Take some Mod Podge and after that you can glue the logo onto the phone case. Put it in a clear phone case and now you're left with this cool and fresh design. Next up is this exclamation mark and question mark design. It's kinda lame, I just put this 3-dimensional sticker on a black phone case, but yeah, I like it, so that's why I share it with you. Now we're going to make this newspaper cause it's aesthetic phone case. I teared apart this sheet of newspaper until I had several pieces. Then I made a template to put in a clear phone case. I took some Mod Podge and glued the pieces onto the template. You can be really creative with this, so you can use different fonts, newspapers, and just do what you want. After that, you can remove all the excess newspaper. Then you can search for a quote that you like. I chose for cause it's aesthetic, and I made a design and glued it onto the phone case. Put it in a clear case and your phone case is done. If you love reading, I think it would be awesome to use book pages. The next design was inspired by these fans. I took a ruler and a pencil and started drawing the design. Then I took some washi tape and covered everything that I didn't want to be black. You can use an X-Acto knife or some scissors to do some touch-ups. Then I took some black paint and started painting the template. After giving it 2 coats of black paint, I removed the washi tape. Do this before the paint dries. Then I took a pencil and started drawing the Vans logo onto the template. After that, I took a white marker and went over the logo. You will probably need a few coats of white marker because you're drawing on a black surface. Put it in a clear phone case and you're done. It's my least favorite of all the cases that I've made, but I'm sure that you can do a better job than I did. So this was the video. Don't forget to leave all your questions in the comment section down below and let me know which of these phone cases is your favorite. Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe and like, and until the next video.
Hey you, can I learn your flavor? It's brand new. Now it's in the papers, all I seem to see. Must be something underneath.